Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, October 11th, 2018. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, first and third periods, we had an independent practice 4.1 worksheet. In fourth period, we have 6 addition and subtraction problems from the top of page 82. Seventh and eighth period, I'm not sure what Mrs. Caprine decided on. It was going to be determined by the end of those class periods, just depending on how the lessons went. Also make sure that you are checking Google Classroom. In science, you've got an assignment on Google Classroom called Physical or Chemical Change. In social studies, there is no homework. In language arts, you have earbuds, which are optional, and you also need a highlighter for tomorrow. Literature, remember, tomorrow is our test over seed, folks, and we also have our AR points due 11 days from today. All right, that is all for this evening. Stay warm out there.